In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your online store effectively using Hostinger's Website Builder. We'll walk through how to add and manage products, complete with variants, to ensure your store is set up perfectly for prospective customers. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access your Hostinger account. Head on over to hostinger.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, find your website and click on Edit Website to enter the website builder where the magic happens. Now take a look at the left sidebar and you'll see a store icon. Give that a click and it will open the Store Manager. This is where you'll handle all things related to your products. Now that we're in the Store Manager, it's time to add or edit a product. Navigate to the Products section. If you're adding something new, go ahead and click on Add Product. Alternatively, select an existing product if you're making changes. When you're adding a product, you'll need to fill in some vital details. This includes the product name, a compelling description, and of course, the price. Don't forget to add high-quality images, as they really help sell your product. Additionally, make sure to include the SKU, which is a unique code for each product, and any stock information you have. Giving detailed information here ensures your customers have everything they need to make a purchase decision. Next up, if your product comes in different styles or options, we need to set up variants. Scroll down to the Options section and click Add Option. Here, you'll name the option, such as size, color, or material. For each of these, you can add multiple selections. For instance, under size, you might have small, medium, and large. If your product has more than one attribute you want to feature, feel free to click Add Another Option. Don't worry about creating each individual combination. Simply click Save, and the system will take care of generating all the possible variant combinations for you, up to 50 variants. Afterwards, managing these variants is a breeze. Click on Manage Variants to view all the combinations that were automatically created. For each one, you have the flexibility to tailor specifics. This means uploading unique images for each variant, like a specific photo for a red large version, adjusting prices, and fine-tuning the SKU, stock, or weight as needed. When you've completed these customizations, simply click Save. With everything set, it's time to incorporate your product into your website. In the Site Builder, you can add a product list or a single product section based on what fits your layout best. The product list displays all your products, whereas the single product focuses on just one. Assign the product or products with their variants to the chosen section. Finally, to bring all these changes to life on your live site, click Publish. And just like that, your online store is ready to attract and serve your customers. I hope you found this guide useful, and don't hesitate to explore all the features your website builder has to offer. Thanks for joining me today, and happy